Morning guys, it's Monday, it's the 8th of October, which means it's Lauren's birthday and I need to text her. Be back in a minute. Okay, I've texted my friend now. It's funny that, isn't it? Sometimes you know what day it is, but then when you say it, you're like, oh, I need to do something. Well, yeah, anyway, we're moving house on Friday. It's the 8th today. We are moving house on the 12th. I'm so excited. I just sent this face to Kate because I'm so excited and scared about moving. Yeah. And she just replied saying, you are so pretty, and I was like, I know. Yeah, so we're moving house in 4 days. Mika's at nursery, Ari's in there. She's playing with all the Play-Doh. I told her she'd play with Play-Doh and she was like, I'm gonna play with Mika's Play-Doh. Because Mika is a little bit territorial with her Play-Doh. And Ari never gets to play with them whether she wants to. So she's in there just having a ball. I have been tidying in the kitchen. And I thought I would show you what I'm doing because we're getting shit done. I'm getting shit done. I did have, like, as soon as we exchanged, I kind of just went and just relaxed a bit, I suppose, considering I've been like for 5 months, and I just didn't do any packing for a week. And like at the weekend we literally just went away and just didn't do anything to do with packing at the weekend, and now I'm like shit, because today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow night my friend Becky is coming around to do my hair at 5, which is going to take like 4 hours. Wednesday's Ari's birthday, so we're not going to pack then, and then Thursday is the day before we move. So yeah, there's lots to do. I've got a big box here with my officey stuff in it. I'm trying to keep this bit as tidy as possible because I am still filming videos, and it's like I had to put my glossy box calendar there because nobody wants to see a giant box of Walker's squares, and I'm trying to make it still look a little bit pretty even though it doesn't. The rest of the house, like, I'll show you. I'll take you on a tour of the shit tip of the house. So over here we've got boxes. Some are empty, some are half full, some are full. And we've got my washing. The garden's nearly done. Over here we have Aria. What are you doing?
Playing with Play-Doh.
Playing with Play-Doh. We've got bubble wrap up here. Just bits of crap everywhere. More bits of crap everywhere. More boxes, some empty, some full. A bookcase that I got for Mika from the charity shop the other day with Lightning McQueen on the side for £4. This is empty apart from this one, which has got nappies in it. Up here we've got more crap. Just more crap. We've got like insurance policies and Sudocrem and a pirate ship, some dusters, more stuff, a pile of crap down here. The day bed's obviously been taken to bits, so most of that's in the garage, but the mattresses are here. This is the headboard for our bed, which is longer than the sofa. That's how big our bed is. Our bedroom is just more clothes that need sorting, a big pile. Excuse me? Excuse me? Can I help you? Can I help you? No, you just, yeah, I see. My wardrobe's basically empty. All these drawers are done, that's just full of hangers. My clothes are all here. This is Ari's birthday presents. This is Ari's birthday, these aren't from us, these are from other people, from her birthday party, but these are from us. This is a chest of drawers that I got the other day. I'm so annoyed. I got it off Facebook or Gumtree, I can't remember which one. And I sent Ben to get it. It was only a tenner, and I was like, oh, that'd be fine, it's a tenner. And I thought I could just do like some jazzy, oh, it's good filming, Lucy. I thought I could just kind of do it up a little bit. Like do some, oh, sorry. Do some, like, I don't know, what's it called? Like upcycling. However, Ben picked it up, and when I got home, I went to put stuff in it. All the fucking drawers, you do pull one out and they all just fall out of their rollers. So you can't shut them. So he now says he's going to fix it, but I think I'm going to smash it and just get a nice one. That's what I'm thinking. I've got another box here that's like nearly packed. The girls' bedroom is pretty much done because we've just got their beds, and then we've got this. This we're just going to put a bit of tape round. We got Aria one of these as well for her new room. But then their shelves are all finished. The bathroom, I'm going to do this afternoon, just like have a bit of a blitz in here. Like I'm going to have to like have a sort out of that. And then the kitchen, like there's just a pile of crap down there. My belt that broke, washing, boxes. Oh, I've just done this and I thought I'd come and show you. This is why I thought I'd actually better start filming. I've just completely cleaned out this cupboard. That one is ready. So we can shut that and never open it again. This is all the crumbs that came out of that cupboard because I'm a minger. Yeah. I need to clean the windows because they are gross. Put all the magnets up here because the fridge is gone. We've got the big fridge in the garage, but Ben's parents have got, because we're not going to need this little fridge at the new house because we're going to have the big fridge in the house and not in the garage. So they've had that, so that's gone. Yeah. So there's still quite a lot to do, and technically only like today, tomorrow until 5, and then Thursday. Yeah, so there's lots to do, but we're going to do it. It's going to be fine. Don't panic. Don't panic. But I thought I'd do some speed cleaning for you because everybody loves speed cleaning. Shelves are done, that cupboard's done, this cupboard is clean, it's just got some spices left in it, so they just need to go in a box the day before we move, or maybe even Wednesday, because I've already planned out the food that we're going to have for the week, so I know what food I can pack. This cupboard is clean, it's just now everything is condensed, everything from the other cupboards is just, and off here is now in here. I've just packed some more breakable stuff, and I'm now run out of boxes. So there's not really a lot else I can do now other than clean. So this afternoon I'm going to give this the once over and give it a proper deep clean. But yeah, I can't do anything else now until I get some more boxes. So I might be able to get some from Tesco's this afternoon. If not, Kate is going to try and get me some from the roaster. Hey guys. It is Thursday, the 11th of October. We move house tomorrow. So yeah, it's me, Ben's at work, he's off tomorrow. I have been clearing out my little area. My shelves are nearly done. I've unplugged everything under here. I've got like, this is like skincare and stuff that I want out that I don't want to pack away too much. Same as this is like candles and stuff that I want to light when I go in, my cellar water, my moisturizer, hairspray for Mika's hair in the morning. I've got all my makeup brushes in here. I can leave these with everything in apparently because the guys taped them up, so I haven't had to empty any of these. The only ones I have emptied are my palette drawers, and I put all my palettes in this box, so I'm going to take them in the car. My plants are all here. They are all going to go in this big, we've got a big tub here that's usually got dog food in it. But the dog food is in a littler tub now because we were running low. So I'm going to put all my plants in here, all my peace lilies and my cactuses. Let me just grab this toast before the dog eats it. That's mum's skills, opening a gate whilst holding toast. I've took everything off the wall in here. Took down my pin board. The kitchen still looks like there's quite a lot to do, but there's not really, because this cupboard is empty. These cupboards are empty, they're all clean. This one is empty. This one is empty. The shelves, this is just like mugs and stuff that I'm going to pack tonight. I've got my little new tea and coffee things out. I love them. This one just needs to go in a bag. This one is full of boxes of food. This one is empty, and this one has just got the last little bits of food in it that are going to get packed up tonight. I need to clean the oven. I'm going to do that in a minute. We got this yesterday for Aria's new bedroom. I can't remember if I showed you or not. We got it off Facebook for like 30 quid for both. And it's so cute. It's like brand new, shiny pink, and they're really tiny. Like Aria only comes up to like here on it. So it's really cute for her new bedroom. Got loads of boxes here. I went and got some stuff. Got some stuff for the bearded dragon. So we're starting to get that.
I want some toast.
You can have some toast. I'll get you some. Unicorn up there. We're still drying washing. This is the last of it. I'm not doing any more washing now until after we move. Unless somebody like vomits or shits themselves, I'm not doing washing. I packed the girls' books. I'm going to move Aria's bed in a minute, get all the toys from underneath it. I put most of the teddies have gone away. Don't tell them. The bathroom. I've had a blitz, so this has been cleaned. I need to clean the toilet. The bath is all clean all around the edge. I've done all the shower. Just need to put my plants away. But we're basically done. Our bedroom, we took that piece of shit chest of drawers to the dump. And I think I'm going to get an IKEA one. I think I'm going to get the same one. This is a Malm one the girls have got. And that's a 5 drawer. But you can get, no, that's a 6 drawer. You can get a 4 drawer one. So it's only like to here for 50 quid brand new. So I think I'm just going to get that and put my clothes in there. The wardrobes, they're just going to do that for us. They're going to put hangers. They've got like hanger boxes, because the wardrobes we're leaving here, they're not ours. They were here when we moved in. And they're like here. And if we take them to bits, we're never going to get them together again. So they're going to stay here. And that's it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It is redonkulous. I need to go and make Mika some toast because she's so hungry. Even though she had lunch at nursery and ate it all, she is a bin. She's a bin. Show me. Show me a bin face. Whoa. What are you chuntering about? You're crazy. Bob's just over there. He doesn't know what's going on, bless him. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more cleaning, and then I think I'll end this here now, and then I'm gonna pick it up again tomorrow for the final vlog of this house, and going into the new house. So I'm super excited. And now there's a lizard. If you want him to stop, you have to like touch him under the chin. See you later.